Welcome back to Pig and Beef. Today we're going to show you a quick and easy way to add some amazing flavor to bacon on a wood pellet grill. All you need to start is a pound of thick cut bacon, half a cup of 100% pure maple syrup, and half a cup of brown sugar. Make sure to cover a pan with foil or parchment paper for this, then start by brushing the maple syrup onto both sides of the bacon. These really make for a delicious treat, snack, or addition to a burger or breakfast meal. You'll be surprised at how delicious the bacon is with a sweet and smoky flavor. Even better, they're super quick and easy to make. After you brush the syrup, sprinkle the brown sugar onto both sides of the bacon and use the brush to evenly spread the brown sugar across the bacon. This creates a thin glaze on the top of the bacon. After you've set the grill to 300 degrees and the grill has reached that temperature, put the pan on the grill and cover the lid. After 30 to 45 minutes, check the bacon and remove it when it's crisped a little bit. Remember that it will continue to crisp more as it cools. Then enjoy the bacon.